It's a cousin, Daddy. He's a great, he's singer, and he likes rock music.
It's my brother Andy. He's a doctor. He's got a wife and two kids. And he likes classical music. How about this one?
I don't know. A cousin,
No.
your brother,
No.
an uncle.
It's my Aunt Julie.
Sorry, Mr. Morgan. She looked like your uncle.
Tell me something about her.
She architect,
Artist.
married,
Divorced.
2 kids, 3 kids, 5 kids.
No kids. Only a small. He an easy one.
I don't know.
It's my father.
I know who your father is. Why are you saying me follow your father?
My family is coming in 1 hour. Now pay attention.
Why do you have such a large family?
It's not that large.
Not that loud. You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncle. Who know how many cousins, nieces and nephews? I say that loud family.
They are not all coming over.
No, just 18 of them.
I'm sorry, honey. I just want them to glad you. Calm down. It's okay. You're doing fine.
Okay, I'm okay. Your cousin John?